If you ever try to make smooth animations inside Premiere Pro and you know how painful these stiff keyframes can be, but what if I told you there's a plugin that adds After Effects level motion curves right inside Premiere Pro? Meet Smoothify, the ultimate tool to make your animations flow like butter. So to install, you will have to go to smoothify.io and simply just click on free download and you can just add it to, and then just go to Premiere Pro. Once this is installed, go to Window Extension, and from here you can just open Smoothify. So this is the plugin. The interface will be like this, and now there are many features. This is the default graph. These two graphs were created by me to add custom animations. And there are two options. You can just log out from this account, and then if you want, you can simply add a graph as well. And now once I will just go and I will bring in this Premiere Pro PNG to timeline, and now I will go to effects control, add a position keyframe, and now at the start this will be here, and now I will just move a few frames and then I will make it here. So this is our animation like this. Now if you go here in the graphs, this will be our graph. So these are very difficult to edit, and you can see there are just lines and like this. You can adjust them, but it's not that effective like this. So I will just go here, make sure the keyframes are selected, and now I will go to the middle of this, and now I can just go back to Smoothify. And from here, you can just add a default graph. This will be default. You can press the play button here, and it will automatically add keyframes here. As you can see, these are the keyframes. So if we go on Smoothify, first I will bring it to the effects control section right here. So at the start, the animation will be a bit slow, then will be fast, and then move forward. So I will just play and show you the animation like this. So this is very different from the other. I will just make sure to uncheck this. So this was the that animation. So I will just bring it here. I will select again and Smoothify. Now these are two my pre-made from here. If you want to adjust this, you can just simply click on this and make sure to adjust these graphs something like this, or you can just bring these like here and then just break, then just press here, and it will automatically apply to the layer like this, and then it will again move to the faster side. And you can also just click here, and this will be added as an preset. You can just simply name it to curve or something like this. So this will be our graph animation. So you can use Smoothify to make your animations more smoother. And so that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and